How to manage search terms in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to manage search terms in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to Catalog and click Search. This page will show all of the search terms that you have added and that have been used by customers. Scroll right. Click Add New Search Term. Enter the search query. If the query has a synonym, you can enter it here. You can choose whether to display in suggested terms. Scroll right. Click Save Search. The search term has been added. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage search terms in Magento Commerce.